Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch DramaBox safely on your phone without running into errors. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is strong. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or ensure you have good mobile data because weak internet often causes DramaBox to freeze or show error message. Next, keep your DramaBox app updated. Go to the App Store, tap on your profile at the top right, scroll down to see if an update is available. If yes, tap update. Updated apps usually run smoother. If the app is acting slow, try closing it completely and reopening it on Wi-Fi. iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and slide away the DramaBox and then open it again. Clear some space on your phone. If your storage is almost full, DramaBox may crash. You can delete old photos or apps you don't use. Use the app in a safe way. Only download DramaBox from the official App Store, not from random website. This helps avoid viruses or broken version of the app. And that's it. By keeping your app updated, having strong internet and only using the official version, you can watch DramaBox safely on your phone without error. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.